In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the match function in Google Sheets. This function can be incredibly useful when you want to find the position of an item within a range. Let's dive in. First, we need to open up a Google Sheet. If you have a specific spreadsheet you're working with, go ahead and open that now. Otherwise, you can start a new sheet for practice. Once you're there, we will be focusing on the task at hand. With your sheet open, navigate to cell D3. This will be the cell where we'll input our match function formula. When you click on D3, you'll notice that it's ready for you to type in your formula. The match function is used to search for a specified item and return its relative position within a range of cells. Now, here is how you type it in. Enter the formula x match D2 A2 A17,000. Let's break this formula down so you understand exactly what's happening. The match function contains three components. The first component is the lookup value, which is D2 in our formula. This refers to the value we're looking to find within our list or range. The second component, A2 A17, specifies the range where we want to search. The third component, 0, indicates that we're looking for an exact match. After typing in the formula, press the Enter key on your keyboard. Google Sheets will automatically process the formula and you'll see the result appear in cell D3. This number represents the position of the lookup value from cell D2 within the range specified by A2 A17. It's a simple yet powerful way to quickly locate elements in a long list or dataset. Next, you'll want to click on cell D2, as this is where we indicate our value of interest, which can also be tied to a drop-down list for ease of use. If you've set up a drop-down, simply click in D2 and choose a name from the list. This value is what match will search for in the range. And there you have it. By using the match function, you've efficiently found the position of a specific name or value in your dataset. Remember that mastering this function can significantly improve how you manipulate and analyze data in Google Sheets. With just a few clicks and typing, you've leveraged a powerful tool that can enhance your productivity. Thank you for tuning in. I hope this walkthrough has demystified the match function for you. Keep practicing with different ranges and values to get the hang of it, and soon enough, you'll be using it like a pro. If you have any more questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more useful tutorials.